Massive gains today in most of the portfolios, big trades in the Nasdaq, really strong uptrend to new equity peaks or new highs and new equity peaks in some of the portfolios. VSD NQ still in the trade, up 5,000 on the day. This is a strategy that is not going to miss an up move. It will get in right at the session open, the 24-hour session open, if there is a trade, and run the risk. Last week it had a down week. It was aggressive, lost across the board. This week it is making that up and more, and big gains in this strategy. Up 9K on the week on VSD and Q. Gap continuation, second day in a row. Yesterday it was up around 1460 again, 1425 today. This is the big stop loss. This is the Beta B workspace. Viper plus 200, EVP 1 minus 450. Tick fader down on the day, minus 625. Tried to short it, and it was just a straight up rally today in the market. Beta C, tick wave, NQ plus 32.45. These Nasdaq trades just big trends. If you get in at the right place, you get on one of these runners, it can really you can get a lot of points quick. It's fast market. PR breakout, stop loss is too tight in this strategy probably. Minus 650 on the day. 2282 on VSDES, even the S&P rallied up to new highs. We had the 60-minute breakout NQA plus 950. 60-minute breakout B was up 43.35. It's not going to miss any trades either, just catching those breakouts all the way up. And so strong moves in the market today. Let's go over the base workspaces. Cobra 3 ES plus 675. Adaptive moving average plus 1262.50, 60-minute breakout plus 975, night trader plus 825, NQ plus 1080 on Cobra 3 NQ. I'll have to check. The profit target version actually hit its profit target on Cobra 3 ES and NQ. Gap continue 2019 $300 stop loss. It was stopped out several times on the way up, so it wasn't as profitable as the $700 stop loss version. So if you might need a $700 stop loss, can sometimes be less risk. This was only at 435 instead of 1425. And gap continuation 2020, kind of the same thing, plus 760 instead of a better trade with a bigger stop loss. 60-minute breakout. This version of NQ is up 1950. And crude oil, you should be on March. Roll over to March, no trades the last few days. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Gold, we had Cobra Gold go, it went long and was stopped out, minus 625. So actually shows a slightly different trade on my real-time server. This is my research platform. I have a real-time platform, and on my research platform, I'm showing a profit on this trade. So I have to dig into why. Maybe the data is slightly different from the @GC contract. So you could have some differences there. Asia Gold short, minus 525, and gold was a choppy day in gold. Look at this price action in gold. It's started to sell off sharply and then rebounded rapidly. Silver, no trades. Euro, kind of break even, minus 31.25. Soybeans, no trades, still down from its highs. And we have the old workspace here. These old tick pullbacks did really well. And then the All Strategy Access optional, you can see the profit target versions of Cobra 3 and Q that are now implemented in the portfolios, hitting its profit target on the ES and the NQ. $600 profit target on ES on the long side, $1,400 on the long side on NQ, and some other optional setups that we have. And so that is the update today. Main thing is a lot of these portfolios are hitting equity peaks today with these massive trades. I also want to show you exhaust and reverse. If you use PTS of value of 2, you get a lot more trades, plus 19, 12, 50. The default is 5. Here is the performance summary with 2. Had this drawdown here, now it's coming back. Similar to the PTS of 5, I'm going to show you that. So if you format the strategy, change the PTS to 5, you get less trades. Here is the PTS of 5. So you get less trades, still a profitable day. And I have the don't trade on holidays off on this setup. So you can turn your don't trade on holidays to true, format strategies, and by default I typically had this, but I was checking this today and forgot to change it back. So don't trade of holiday set to true. Let's see how that changed the results over the last 12 months. So actually slightly better results with the don't trade on holiday set to false, but you get a bigger average trade profit with PTS set to 5. You get more net profit with PTS set to 2. Silver, exhaust in reverse, his profit target, huge gains in silver, exhaust in reverse, really good equity curve here. And so that is the latest trade on January the 20th. Strong trends. We don't get a lot of strong trend days like we did today. But so it's good to make sure you capture those moves when they happen. You have to capture those moves as day traders. So good trading.